Hi, I'm Leo Reiter, co-founder and CTO of Virtual Bridges, and that's a very good question. What is Verde Leaf? Verde Leaf is our endpoint technology. It's our managed endpoint. So now you don't have to think of VDI as a thin client or iPad or some type of device that cannot be disconnected from the network. Our Verde Leaf allows you to take your VDI experience with you while you're actually not able to connect back to your VDI infrastructure. So think about somebody who gets on an airplane. They have to turn off their Wi-Fi, use their laptop in airplane mode. If you try to do that with an iPad and you want a VDI experience, well, you're not going to be able to connect to the servers. So the type of offline work that you can do in this mode might be, reading some offline emails and playing some games and doing this. But if you wanted to, for example, author a PowerPoint presentation or go through a lot of content or anything that's really more of a power user, productivity type thing using your business apps, you're really looking for your VDI experience to follow you when you're offline. This is exactly what Verde Leaf does. By utilizing a Type 1 client-side hypervisor, that's exactly the same technology as what we deploy in the data center, but condensed to actually run on a laptop device. We can now receive cached instances of your virtual desktop onto your endpoint that are automatically synchronized in a bidirectional way when you do have connectivity. So for example, you have your local cache. You disconnect from the network, you keep working, you save documents, you do all these things. When you connect back to the network, the Leaf technology automatically uploads your changes back into the data center. There's no clumsy checkout and check-in process like some of our competing solutions might have. And there's no need to manage a separate infrastructure or even a separate hypervisor like, for example, a Zen client would require you to do. This is really an extension of your data center VDI that instead of being delivered to a thin client or a tablet is actually delivered to a stateful client that can go disconnected. But you never lose that centralized management, you don't compromise security, and you don't lose control of these desktops just because they're off your network.